And today with Mr. Rexu, we got mail. So let's go ahead and open this up and find out what's inside. We have the Gerber Prybrid multi-tool. Let's see what it has to say here. 8 tools, exchangeable parts, slide lock, bottle opener. It has a little pry bar on it. As the name suggests, a Prybrid utility is a hybrid tool blending the best of a replaceable utility blade knife and a combat multi-tool. Compact, not a combat, you never know. Multi-tool eliminating the need for a sheath. This tool is meant to be carried in pocket, offering immediate access to the 8 tools it houses. With a convenient dual-ended design, the Prybrid utility is the only tool you'll need for quick tasks at the job site. So there is a utility blade, cord cut notch, slide lock, G10 scales, in this case it's OD green, a lanyard hole, a bottle opener, Prybar, large flat driver, small flat driver, and nail puller. And I got this off of Amazon for $20.32. Let's see how we're gonna get this open. Ooh, how exciting. Let's see if I can not cut myself. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to cut a little bit more. And there we have it. So there it is, fully extended. Apparently you pull back this little clip and you could pull out. Let's see if I can actually do this. Okay, there's a little detent. There you go. The detent is on this side, right here. And if you want to put it back in, let's see if I can put this back in. I pulled it up. Let's see if I can not cut myself today. Oh, you really do have to pull that detent out to slide it back in and out. Now let's do that. Oh, it doesn't stick out. Good thing, I would have just got myself open. Yay. Now you do have access to the cordage notch without opening it up. And here is your nail puller, your bottle opener. And I do believe they're wanting you to use these as a large flat driver and a small flat driver. So just a regular flat tip screwdriver. G10. Gerber. And there you go. That is my new Prybrid utility knife from Gerber, my first Gerber for a long time. And I'll go ahead and start using this and I'll share the results with you. Okay, thank you so very much. And remember, as always, have a nice day.